Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm Jose and welcome to one more video from my YouTube channel. Today you're gonna learn how to do a very well lead roundhouse kick. And this is training at Tubac Martial Arts Institute. Are you ready? Let's fucking go. Alright guys, if you're a skillful martial artist, probably you have noticed that in different type of martial arts, the roundhouse kick has a different variations of the same kick. For example, I already have teach the roundhouse kick in one of my previous videos that you can check here in the corner. And right now I'm going to show you the lead roundhouse kick, which is a variation of the regular roundhouse kick. So, you know the roundhouse kick starts with the back leg, but this time the lead roundhouse kick is about to kick with the front leg. So now I'm going to show you that just for you guys, just for everybody in this video. Alright? Let's go. In Taekwondo, for example, when you are going to do the roundhouse kick start with the back leg, okay? You kick with this leg, not with this. At least you are doing the lead roundhouse kick, which is the same kick that we want to do today. So, for example, the roundhouse kick is like, okay, this is the trigger of the gun, you pull it, and then going straight, your leg, your knees, it's raising up, and then you have to turn your hips like this, and then kick. But in one motion, it should be like this. Alright? So, now, this variation is the lead roundhouse kick, which is, the kick is about kicking with the front leg, not with the back leg, okay? So, now, Taekwondo has its own front lead roundhouse kick, which is like you have to slide your feet forward and then your both feet, okay? Forward and then turn your hips and kick like this. Okay? This. Okay, but now I'm going to show you not just the Taekwondo front lead roundhouse kick. I'm going to teach you also, which is my favorite, even if I am a black belt Taekwondo guy, I'm gonna teach you which is my favorite kick in this part is the Muay Thai style. Like, for example, you have to change your position like right away, very quickly, and then changing again, and getting comfortable. Like if you are kicking with the back up leg, with the same front leg. For example, let me show you. It's like one, switching your position, and then with the back up leg, kicking. Okay? For example, one more time. Okay, now I'm gonna show you from this angle, this position, how I do this kick. For example, front leg, like in the Muay Thai way, like, switching my leg. I'm pretending this is a back leg. Well, actually it is, but the thing is that you are using this, getting comfortable, as a way to do the front leg, the front kick, pretending this is a back leg from the beginning, okay? Like the kick, boom, okay? Like, So now you get it. That was the lead roundhouse kick. See you next fucking time.